Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. In today's newspaper of Thursday, June the 6th, 2024. Today it's also D-Day. Yeah, 80 years ago, D-Day started in France. And also today is this the news of today, the European Election Day, and it started here. Our country is the first country kickoff of the European Election Day. And in today's newspaper, I've already solved three regular puzzles. Two regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So one regular puzzle is left, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cyber Block. In Japanese, Suguru. And in today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with this third regular puzzle, number 8666. Yeah, 666. And before I start, I always kind of print the digits, 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for a 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. I don't think it's a 3 stars. I think whether it's a 0 stars. 0 stars I need 40, maybe 30 minutes. Or maybe a 1-star puzzle. 1-star puzzle I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright? Question is this a 0, a 1-star, or a 3 stars puzzle? We will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Can see any single boxes here. How about dual boxes? Contains the 1 and 2. I see only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1. The 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. More dual boxes? Nope. How about triple boxes then? Let me see for triple boxes. No triple boxes here. Quadra boxes then. Let me see for quadra boxes. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, no quadra boxes. Then my next strategy is, we have a quadra box here. The 1 and the 2 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes should be 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Okay, we have 1 quadra box. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And I see only one shape, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. The L shape. Here we have another L shape, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright, the 1. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only one shape, maximum of 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only one shape, figure, structure, or construction that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those and numbers. So let's get starting filling those and numbers. 1 box left. No, well, 1 box. I think this box should be a 3. Because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Alright. Then, let me see. These 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be 3. These 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Then, well. Well. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here or here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, no 1 goes there. These two boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Well. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3. Because it can be 1. Can be 2, should be 3. Can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Alright. Then... these 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And I need a 1 here. I need a 1. Well. This box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. That box can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes, oh, well, we have a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This one I need to think. This one, not an easy one. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 2. So the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright, 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 1, because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5, yes, definitely 1. I think this box should be a 2, because give me 1, should be a 2. Give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes and with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, these 2 boxes can be 5, so the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. These 2 boxes can be 5, these 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. Then, let me see. This box gave me 2. This box gave me 3. So, the 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Well, we have a 3 here. So, this box gave me 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. So, 1 box. So, I've eliminated here the 3. So, the 2 goes there. So, 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 4. Alright. think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yeah, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright. Then these two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 3. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes, and here. These two boxes can be 3, these two boxes can be 1, so the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as appear. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be in, 3 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be in, 4 goes there. I think this, wait. These two boxes can be 5. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 5 goes in those two boxes as appear. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 2. 1 box left. The final box for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 11 minutes. 11 minutes. Wow, told you. Should be a 0 stars. Faster than 14, 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. Not the 3, not the 2, not the 1 star. Yes! We solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening. Yeah, with the extra puzzles, the additional 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Thursday.